Look what just came in the mail. Our IQAir filters. These are the genuine replacement filters for the Health Pro Plus IQAir system. We need to change our filters, so let's do that together so you can see how to do it yourself. We will change each filter that's part of the air purifier. You don't have to use the genuine filters in this air purifier, but when you're investing in a purifier like this one, we don't like to take shortcuts since we are invested in ensuring excellent air quality. Let's change the filters from the bottom up. We see a yellow and red light flashing here, meaning it's time to change the filters. Since there are 3 different filters, there are also 3 different lights to show which filters need to be changed. First things first, we unplug the machine. To gain access to the filters, you snap open the 2 top panels. We will change the Premax filter first, which is right at the bottom, so you slide out the bottom panel and place the new filter in and take a look at the difference. You just don't know how much this machine is working until you see the filters before and after. After you add the new filter, you insert the clips to keep it in place and slide it back in. Next, we will replace the V5 cell filter, which helps with gas and odor. For this one, it's a simple lift and take out. This one filters gases and chemicals from carpets, paint, furniture, and volatile organic compounds like formaldehyde. So this is an important filter. And lastly, the Hyper HEPA filter. That's right at the top. This filter can eliminate ultrafine particles down to 0.003 microns. Once all the filters are changed, you ensure it's all lined up and snap the panels back. Then you want to go back to the screen and reset all the filters so it knows you just added new ones and you're all set. That took us less than 5 minutes, so maintaining this machine isn't much more than getting new filters and reinstalling. This IQ air purifier is meant for industrial use, but we value clean air in our home and have 2 on different floors of the house to create a healthier living area for everyone.